Hey crafty people, in this video we're going to be talking about bobbles. So a bobble is a combination stitch that has the base point and the end point of the stitch in the same spot. So let's see how to make a bobble. In this example, I've got a 5-stitch bobble done with a double crochet. So a double crochet is a yarn over into the stitch, yarn over and through, and then you go yarn over through 2 loops, yarn over through 2. But with a bobble, we're only going to go through the first 2 loops and leave the last 2 loops unworked yet. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So that is a 5 double crochet bobble. And so now I've got all of these stitches worked halfway and all of their last loops on the hook. And I'm going to go yarn over and through all of the loops together to close it up. Okay, let's get to the next spot. So I've got 4 stitches in between. 1, 2, 3, 4, and on the 5th stitch, on the 5th stitch, we're gonna work another bobble. So yarn over as I would a double crochet. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. And then through all of the loops together. And then I've got 2 stitches at the end. So 1, and in the T chain, a little tweet. And on the other side, we can see we've got our bobbles. So bobbles tend to pop up on the opposite, the wrong side of where you're working. So technically that would be the right side. However, if say every row has a bobble, you can pop them kind of like one of those like anxiety things where you pop them through and they'll show up on the other side. So that's a bobble.